In this video, we will talk about the different ways to write a comparison. Writing a comparison is going to help us learn how to write a proportion later on. The first way we're going to look at is how to write a top and bottom comparison. So that just means our ratios are paired up top and bottom. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like. The example we're looking at is Amy can decorate 20 cupcakes in an hour and 60 cupcakes in 3 hours. So to show the top and bottom comparison, I would write 20 cupcakes on the top over 1 hour on the bottom is equal to 60 cupcakes on the top over 3 hours on the bottom. Notice 20 cupcakes goes with 1 hour and 60 cupcakes goes with 3 hours. So we're comparing cupcakes to hours, cupcakes to hours. You could technically also flip these around and say for 1 hour, Amy can decorate 20 cupcakes. And for 3 hours, Amy could decorate 60 cupcakes. Or now let's go ahead and look at the side-by-side comparison. A side-by-side comparison just means the original rate or ratio will be side by side instead of top and bottom. We'll still have our comparison of two ratios, but this time when we write 20 cupcakes in an hour, 20 cupcakes will still go on top, but 1 hour will go to the right of it, still on the top. So we did cupcakes to 1 hour, and we could do that same thing on the bottom. Following that same lead, 60 cupcakes to 3 hours. Again, if you wanted to, you could flip this upside down and say 60 cupcakes takes 3 hours. And then on the bottom, you could have 20 cupcakes takes 1 hour. Ideally, the easiest way to write your comparison will be using the top and bottom comparison, but know that you can also make your comparison using the side-by-side option.